Hey guys, how you all doing? So in this quick video I am going to show you how you can use routing feature into your React project. So the main reason why I'm making this video is because in the latest version of React Router these syntax are wrong. So if you are using this for documentation, it won't work. So let's show you how you can do it. Okay, so right now I made a simple React project with nothing installed. Okay, so just there is just one index.js and there is just app.js. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to create projects, pages where you can where on where you can show the content on another route. So I'm going to make two pages. One is home.js and one about.js. Let me capital this. Okay, so I'm going to fill some dummy content here. So r by the way, I'm using this extension to write short codes, but you can manually do this as well. So I'm going to write home page here, and same with this as well. About page. Okay, so I have two pages ready. So and I'm going to show these two pages on localhost dash home and localhost dash about. So first of all I have to install React Router DOM. Okay, so let me open another terminal, and I'm going to use command npm install React Router DOM. So it will take some time. Okay, it's done. So let me close this terminal, and now you have to check where you are importing your components. So I'm importing my components in app index.js. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to import the React router. So these syntax are not working properly, so you can use these. I will give it in the description. So just copy these and go to here and paste it here. So you need these three things to use router. So first of all I'm going to do browser router, and inside that I'm going to make a routes section, and inside that I'm going to implement the route. So it will be route and then path, and in the path section there will be home page, and we are going to show the element here. So element will be app, and then we are going to close this, and we are going to delete this app from here. So now let me import some other pages as well, these home and about. So import home from home and import about from about. Okay, so now let me just copy it and paste the same thing and just change the path. So I'm going to make about and home. So about So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so now let's go to home, and as you can see that we are at the home page right now. And just like that, if you go to about, you will see an about page. So yeah guys, this was it, just a quick and simple way to implement routing feature into your React project. And if you like this video, press the like button and something. And yeah, thanks for watching.